Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. If you're not new here, then thanks for coming back. So today I kind of wanted to do something cute but kind of like natural-ish. You guys know I'm obsessed with glitter, so of course I have glitter on my lids. The glitter that I use today is from Walmart. It's literally like a little pack of, I think it's like craft glitter or something like that, but I used the Nyx Glitter Primer and of course it stayed and stuck flawlessly. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. I enjoyed my day off for real. Like, all I did was sleep. I rested so much. Like, I do so much during the week that it's ridiculous. So my life has been crazy. I'm kind of getting back into the routine of filming regularly and stuff. So thank you guys so much for bearing with me. I'm literally trying to get my life together right now. Today, I kind of felt funky. I wanted to do like some little Cocoa Puffs or something, I don't know, whatever. But I couldn't find my hairbrush. My son like steals my hairbrush, so I kind of just had to do what I could right now. If you do like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's get into this look. Alright, jumping right into the eyes. I already have my brows done, so I'm going to just use this Anastasia cream contour kit. I'm using this as a base, and then I'm going to set it with translucent powder. So that's going to act as like a transition shade, so that way the shadows blend seamlessly. And then next I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills X Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to take the color Ginger and just put that in my crease. This is such a cute like cinnamon brown color. And I'm going to bring it up to my brow bone. And then now I'm going to use the color Credit, which is a darker brown. And I'm going to focus this on like my outer corners and then also kind of my crease a little bit. But I'm not going to take it up as high to my brow bone. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeshadow base in the color White, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm pretty much going to keep it just like a half lid. I'm not going to do the whole thing. To set this, I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette and take that white shade or kind of like off-white shade to set it. And I'm going to just keep packing it on until I get the desired color, which is kind of white. And then I'm going to blend it into my crease, just so that way there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to deepen the outer corners to blend it together. Alright, now I'm going to take this NYX glitter adhesive and white glitter. I got this glitter from Walmart. I really like how this adhesive works. Like, I don't have any issues with the glitter sticking or anything. And I love how beautiful that looks. Now I'll be using the matte liquid liner from NYX. I really love this stuff. And I kind of wanted like a baby wing. I didn't want anything too long and dramatic. I just wanted to elongate my eyes. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Pretty Vulgar. I got it in a BoxyCharm box. It's not too bad. I like it. And then I'm going to take the Ardell Wispies and use those lashes, and then of course more mascara to blend them. And now onto the face. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Rose Water Spray. It really smells like roses. It smells amazing. And to prime my skin, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dewy Primer. The formula on this is actually really great. Super silky. So I'm going to use just a kabuki brush to buff that in. Alright, so now I've never tried this, but this is lipstick and I'm going to use it to color correct. So it's like a reddish orange and I'm going to blend it out. It actually came out so freaking well. This is the Rimmel London Stay Matte Mousse Foundation. I'm gonna cover up my entire face, obviously. I love the coverage. It's so affordable. These foundations are like $5, you guys. Now for concealer, I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar and mix it with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. And I'm going to use the Super Lifting Concealer technique. I love, love, love how minimal the product is, but maximize the coverage. Like, so fab. To set my concealer, I'm using this Black Radiance Banana Powder. And this is a mini Sonia Kashuk Marble Beauty Blender. I'm going to set the rest of my face. This is loose setting powder from Wet n Wild in the color Deep. I'm going to just put that all over my face. It's so satisfying watching your skin transform. I literally live, you guys. Make sure to bring it down your neck, to your forehead, your nose. This is the Makeup Obsession palette, Throw Shade. I got this at Target, super affordable. I'm going to use that medium brown shade to just contour. And then this Rimmel London Rendezvous Maxi Blush. I love, love, love this shade. It's so beautiful and so affordable. All these products are affordable, whatever. This is the Beauty Blender. I'm just kind of cleaning up my contour and everything. And then I'm gonna highlight with this gold. Now, for the price, this freaking highlighter is stunning. Like, this whole palette is bomb. And I'm using kind of like a little pencil brush to just get like as close as possible to my brow bone, like right underneath. And then I'm gonna blend the shadows in. And then, of course, that same golden highlight on my inner corners. I love matching my highlights, you know that. Don't forget the upper lip. All right, well, now we're gonna set everything with this Ulta Beauty matte setting spray. And do you see how there's dots? I use the sponge to clean it up so it doesn't ruin my foundation and powder. Taking that crease color, Ginger, I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take this white eyeliner and line my waterline. And then I'm gonna set it with that same white color I used on my lid. And this is gonna help the liner last like so much longer. This is the Mega Length Mascara. I'm going to do it for my lower lashes. And then my signature NYX Brown Lip Liner. Do you see his little hands behind me? Oh my gosh, little brat. This is the Liquid Catsuit from Wet n Wild. It's like a chocolate brown. I'll have the color in the description. And then my Kylie lip gloss in Like, of course, my absolute fave. And we're done. Yes, honey. Gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, beauty. Yes, honey. Ooh, it came out so good. Like, I love it. All right, you guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Of course, I always appreciate your time. If you guys did like this video, please don't forget to give it a like. If you're not subscribed, honey, you need to subscribe, okay? You're an asshole. I don't care what you say. Join the fan, babe. All right, you guys. I'll catch you in my next video. See you next time. Bye.